Oh yeah, first game with Panda, officially as an assassin. Yeah, boy.
No, GTOT. What?
Gently touch our tips, GTOT.
We gingerly touch our tips. Brandon, you're recording this time?
Yeah.
Sure.
That doorway, they won't go through there. Once you make
No, I'm worried about shotgun.
Hey, once you make it past the second half, point your guns at the window.
Yeah.
Go straight. 1, alley, 2.
No, I didn't see one. I didn't see one. I dropped my mag on the run.
One on the left side.
Ooh, that went right past my head.
Stay on the door. Watch the door. Adrian's all the way in the front right here.
All right, cool.
No, Eli. Elite.
Panda's in. Hey, Adrian's in the alley. Hey, we have the front room, Adrian. There was 2 in the alley. I got him. The both of them? Yeah, I got them both.
Go, Nico. Go.
don't go out too far because it's kind of beside.
Oh yeah, I see him. He's at these lumber cars right here. The red and blue stack.
The stack is red. See it? Looking at me.
Referee coming through.
You're hit.
Back.
Oh,
Got him.
there's one still at. Remember, there's not a lot. We eliminate 4 guys on the side. Keep going. Nico's out.
No, Nico's right there.
Keep going. Go to the wall.
You gotta be careful because there's some around the tunnel.
Go. Nico's up. Go. Circle.
Oh yeah, right here.
There's three back here. 3. 4.
He's at the right side.
Straight ahead. Behind the ornaments.
Go that way.
Holy shit.
Cool. Fuck, he's behind that tree. You can pop on and see him. You can see him. Duck low.
Straight ahead now, straight ahead.
Yeah, I see him. Go check that. On his face. Got him, I got him.
Nice.
There's still, I think, 3 more. There's like 2 or 3 more still.
I can't see. They're in the shadow.
They're in the back.
Can we run right?
Oh, there's one. No. Straight, Nico. Nico, my 12.
Yeah, I know. I saw him just run back. Is he still here?
He's moving back.
Vanna.
Adrian.
Hey, is he still at the balls?
Yeah, there's still one over there. Oh, got him.
Nice.
There's still one more.
Oh, wow, all the way over there. All the way. Whoa.
He's all the way back there. Nico, watch the center. I saw a guy walk through there.
Oh, he's right there. He's out.
Good job.
12 o'clock.
Yep. Where is he though?
I don't know.
Adrian, where is he? Oh, I see him. He's in the spool. He's in the back spool. Oh, Hopper! Got him! I think that's it.
Shoot him.
Oh, man, you already got him.
One just dropped away over there.
I know, I felt him. That's why I need to go get him right now. Huh? He was right here. What do you mean?
Holy shit. None of us got out. That was fucking the best teamwork. That was the best teamwork I've ever seen.
You guys said two alleyway and I popped it.
Dude, that was a fucking good. We destroyed them.